In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Pipedrive. We'll walk through this together from the very beginning so you can follow along in your own Pipedrive account. The goal here is to set up a simple, effective web form that captures leads and sends them straight into your pipeline without any manual data entry. First, go ahead and open Pipedrive in your browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top or side navigation and find the section called Leads. It's usually represented by a small star icon. Click on Leads, and from the options that appear, choose Web Forms. This takes you into the area where all your existing forms live and where you'll be able to create new ones. Next, we're going to start a new form. On this page, look for a button that says New Web Form. If this is the very first time you're using forms in Pipedrive, you might instead see a button called Try Web Forms with a plus sign. Both do the same thing. They start the process of creating a brand new form. Click that button to move into the form setup. Pipedrive will now ask you to choose a template. This is a starting layout that saves you a lot of time. You'll see options like a Contact Us form and possibly a few others designed for common use cases. Pick the one that's closest to what you need. For most people, the Contact Us template is a great starting point since it already includes the usual fields like name, email, and message. Once you've selected your template, click Create Form to open the form editor. Inside the editor, you can customize the fields that will appear on your form. Look for the small plus icon, usually along the side or between fields. Click this plus icon to add new input fields. Each field can be mapped directly to a Pipedrive field, which means that when someone fills out the form, their information will flow into the correct place in your CRM. Take a moment to match these to the fields you actually use, such as deal details, contact information, or custom fields you've added in your account. When you're happy with the way your form looks and the fields you've included, it's time to save and share it. Click Save, and then choose Share and Embed. Here, Pipedrive gives you two main options. You can copy a direct link to the form to share via email, social media, or a button on your site. Or you can copy the HTML embed code to place the form directly on a web page. Choose whichever works best for your setup, paste it where you need it, and your new Pipedrive web form is ready to capture leads.